Hey there, welcome back to our channel where we dive deep into the fascinating world of technology. Today, we have a mind-boggling fact to share with you about quantum computing that will surely leave you intrigued. Quantum computing is a cutting-edge technology that has the potential to revolutionize the way we process information. In today's video, we will explore the basics of quantum computing and its importance in the tech world. Presentation of problem/challenge. Before we delve into quantum computing, let's first understand the limitations of classical computing. Traditional computers rely on bits, which can only exist in one state at a time, either 0 or 1. This restricts their ability to tackle complex problems efficiently. Here comes the need for quantum computing, which can process vast amounts of data simultaneously and solve problems that are practically impossible for classical computers. Exploration/development. Now, let's explore the basic principles of quantum mechanics that form the foundation of quantum computing. Two key principles are superposition and entanglement. Superposition allows quantum bits, or qubits, to exist in multiple states simultaneously, while entanglement enables qubits to be interconnected regardless of their physical distance. These principles are harnessed in quantum computing to perform complex calculations at an exponential speed. Climax/key moment. A key moment in understanding quantum computing is the concept of qubits. Unlike classical bits, which can only be either 0 or 1, qubits can be in a state of 0, 1, or both at the same time due to superposition. This unique property enables quantum computers to perform parallel computations and solve problems exponentially faster than classical computers. It's truly mind-blowing how quantum parallelism enhances computing capabilities. Conclusion/summary. To wrap up, quantum computing holds immense potential to transform various industries by solving complex problems at an unprecedented speed. Today, we've scratched the surface of this groundbreaking technology and its promising future. Remember, the possibilities with quantum computing are endless, and we're just beginning to explore its vast capabilities. Call to action, CTA. If you found this video informative and intriguing, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more educational content on quantum computing in Bangla. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos on the latest advancements in technology. Thanks for watching.